Unlocking the phrase, feedback. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the term, feedback. Ever wondered what it means and how it's used? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it confidently in conversations. Feedback is a word with several meanings, but the most common one refers to information or opinions about something, in order to say what can be improved or to give approval about it. Imagine you've written a story, and you give it to a friend to read. After reading, your friend tells you what they liked and what you could improve. That's feedback. There are different types of feedback. 1. Positive feedback. This is when the information or opinions shared are approving and complimentary. It's like saying, "Great job on the presentation." 2. Constructive feedback. This type of feedback is given to help someone improve. It's meant to be helpful, like saying, "Your report was good, but it might be clearer if you add some examples." 3. Negative feedback. This is feedback that expresses disapproval. However, it's essential to remember that giving or receiving negative feedback should be done with care and respect. Why is feedback essential? 1. Learning and growth. Feedback helps individuals recognize what they are doing well and what areas need improvement. 2. Building confidence. Positive feedback boosts a person's confidence in their abilities. 3. Guidance. Constructive feedback offers guidance on how one can better achieve their goals. 4. Strengthening relationships. Open feedback can help strengthen relationships because it shows care and the desire to help one another succeed. To help you use this word, here are some example sentences. 1. Could you give me feedback on my essay? 2. The manager provided feedback after the team's presentation. 3. I appreciate your feedback. It helps me improve. There you have it. Feedback is a powerful tool in communication, learning, and relationships. Whether you're giving or receiving it, always approach feedback with an open mind and a kind heart. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and use of the term, feedback. Until next time, keep learning and growing.